Hey guys, um, here's a quick analysis on Euro USD for the last week of May. So let's get into it. As you can see right now on my chart, you can see that Euro USD is on a bearish trend. It's currently on a bearish trend right now. So the first thing I want to do is just identify where the trend is selling from. So if you look at it at this chart, you see that Euro USD is selling from this high. Let me change this pattern color so you guys can see it very well. Something like red. Yeah, you guys can see it very well. So okay, so you can see that the market is selling from this high, from this supply zone. Price has been selling from this supply zone. Price will not be able to break this supply zone. So it has been selling from this high to this level. Now price is currently ranging at this level. It's currently ranging at this level right now. So for me, I'm still going to sell these markets. Yeah, I'm still following the trend because we always follow the trend. That's what we do here. So I'm still following the trend. So I'm still going to sell EU at this level. So I'm just waiting for price. So I'm just waiting for price to just hit this level. And if it can't break it, I join the sellers. But if price break this level eventually, I join buyers. But for me, the current trend right now is still bearish and price is just ranging. So price can either go anywhere, you can buy and you can sell. So that's how it is. So there's not much thing to look on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame really shows everything we have to see. But let's check the 1 hour time frame. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, it's still ranging at this level again on the 1 hour supply. It's still ranging on this 1 hour supply zone. Yeah. So that's why I want price to just eventually break this level to the upside, create a new high, then join the retest, then we join buyers, or price gets to back to this 4 hour supply zone, then it can't break it. If it does not break it, then we see a push back to the downside. I'll wait for a retest at the same level, then I'll join the sellers to the downside back. So this is my plan for EU. Either sell or buy. Either way, EU market structure is going well, and yeah, I think this is okay. So let's just check gold. A quick top-down analysis, just 4 hours to 1 hour. That's all. No need for going to lower time frame. Lower time frame are just for confirmation for your entry. So on the 4 hour time frame on gold, we can see that currently gold is still on the bearish trend on the higher time frame. If you want to check it on the daily time frame, you can see that gold is still on a bearish trend on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame. It's still on a very massive bullish trend. You can see the trend line still aligned with everything. Still on a massive bearish trend. On a massive bearish trend, sorry. So you can see that it aligned with the bearish trend. One, two, that's two touch already on the trend line. You can see two touch already on the trend line. So we already have our bearish trend here, but here's the confusing part on gold. We can see that on this demand level, on this bottom level, we can see that gold is surging up. It's trying to create a low and surging to the upside. You can see that it's creating sort of a surging up pattern, something like this. That's what is good. That's what good is trying to create. But who knows if it's going to go this way because it's still a bearish trend. And remember, we always follow the trend. Always follow the trend, no matter what price is showing you. When you follow the trend, you're always safer. You're always safer when you follow the trend. So let's check on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Gold, you don't need too much analysis because on the 4 hour time frame, we can still see that the trend line aligns with all the touches or the upside. You can see that the trend line aligns with them, and you see descending to the downside. But this bottom line is sort of creating a head and shoulder pattern. That's the only thing that is making me want to buy gold because of this head and shoulder pattern I'm seeing here. Head and shoulder pattern, but I'm still going to wait for a breaker, then retest before I join this buy. So I'm seeing a head and shoulder pattern on this demand level. So this head and shoulder pattern is the only thing that is making me consider buying on gold. But I still need to see a breaker to the upside, then join at the retest before I can join buyers. But either way, I'm still looking for a sell in this market because if price can break this level, this 1 hour supply zone, if price can break this 1 hour supply zone and price starts retracing back from this level, I'm joining the sellers. If price start retracing back from this level, I'm joining the sellers. So this is a very simple analysis. Price can go either way, and this is just the first day of the week. So let's see how the week goes. And with the noise out there on the new Fed chairman Kevin Walsh. So let's see what he's going to say on Friday. So before that Friday, I think the noise out there will definitely push the markets to one side, either buy or sell. But either way, so let's see how the market just go this week. So this is my analysis for gold and EU. And if this was helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below and also let me know what you think about gold and EU. Right? What are you doing? Are you buying or selling EU or gold? So yeah, that's it, guys.